Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst trader. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good evening, today is Sunday, February the 3rd, 2013, and it's 9 p.m. Italian time. This video is part of my weekly newsletter I'm going to send out in a few hours to my free subscribers, and today is Sunday. This video is also part of my FibStalker view on currencies. This is a review, a long-term and medium and short-term review for the Euro-dollar. Particularly, I'm going to use the EuroFX currency future, so I'm going to use a future which is very similar to a spot. Typically there is a difference of 5 to 10 pips between the two. What you see on the screen is the weekly chart of the EuroFX continuous contract aligned to March 2013 expiration. This contract is traded on the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Those who follow me know that we identified the level of support for the current move higher by tracing this measure move here that goes from the lows in 2001 to the highs in 2008. And as we can see, we will see here in a minute, this level which is the 121.30 level, acted as support nicely in 2010 and again in 2012. And this level of support is very important because when price bumped into it, we saw a violation of the sequence of measure move lower. So I can show you this sequence on the weekly chart. We start from the highs in 2011. We had this move lower, and we chose this level of resistance, and it was in 140.80. Now, as we can see here, the 61 level was busted here, so price went above it, but it was able anyway to trade into the first setup. I want also to notice that on the spot this didn't happen, and on the spot the bears were able to defend this level. So this is a valid setup, and the next move in the sequence was this setup here, which brought a resistance level in the 134.80 area at the beginning of the end of February last year. And again, I mean, price was able to go down into the 22.90, 23 level of target. Once price hit this level of support in the 121.30, the next short in the sequence failed. As you can see, the level 129.75 was valued on the upside, and then we started a new move higher. A lot of people are still short this market, but the short ended actually in February, and the move we had was a new setup, long. We had a correction from September to mid of November, and then we had this continuation higher. As you can see, this continuation higher brought price into and through the 134.40 area. Those who follow me were able to play this move higher and successfully, and at the moment we have this target in 138.30. I don't think we are going to get there now. I think we are going to get a retracement into a level, and this level is very clear, it's very well defined, and it's going to be the 134.50, 134.60 area here. And that's where I don't want because I cannot impose anything on the market, but that's where I believe the price will find new support. Now, going to the daily chart here, we can show this setup, long setup again, and the fact that it was able to hit its first target in 134.40 area, and this move higher here that started mid of November, we could see other measured moves here developing, and we had this first support in the 129.10 area, and this support hit target in the first target in 132.55. Before a continuation higher, we had another retracement to all the way halfway back here, as we can see, and the 130 level acted as a support. I call this level of support as well, and this brought price into the 134.80. Within this move there was another inner move, and that was an extension, and it had a target which would line up with that 134.80 and 17. It was around 134.87, 87. So these two targets were hit, both of them, and we also completed these lower targets here. And the next measurement move didn't trade, as we can see here, because price never came back to trade this level, but we traded a higher level here, and that's what we have at the moment, this level trade. And he traded again on Friday. So to see the next move lower, I want to see a violation on the downside of the 134.70 level here. If that happens, we're going to get, as I anticipated on the weekly chart, we are going to get a full retracement into the 134.60 area. That's where we will probably see price. We could see price if price gets below the 135.70. I hope this update is useful, and you can profit from this review. If you want to get additional trading plans and analysis on the euro dollar, you can check my blog, and you can also subscribe my newsletter. Just go on the blog www.fibonaccistalking.com. On the left side you'll find an icon, press on it, and in a few seconds you are registered, and you can start getting the weekly newsletter as well, along with the midweek updates I'm going to send every Wednesday or a Thursday every week. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a very good trading week next week. A good evening, and look forward to see you on my blog. So let's get there, and let's start a discussion. Thank you very much. Bye bye.